Frequently in custody cases, one parent alienates the children from the other parent. Parental alienation is the inhibiting or preventing the relationship with the other parent. Hi, my name is Charles Ullman. Frequently I'm asked, what happens in parental alienation cases? Alienation can take several forms. It can be saying bad things about the other parent, withholding the children from the other parent, making scheduling conflicts such that it infringes on the other parent's time. It can include making comments to the other parent in the presence of the children that are demeaning or degrading, such as name-calling, using profanity, or other things that are emotionally volatile that the children witness. Physical separation from the other parent can include denial of visitation, frequently calling or interrupting visitation, making excessive demands about what needs to occur during the other parent's time. Emotional alienation occurs whenever derogatory statements about the other parent are made in the presence of the minor child or directly to the minor child. Those comments to the child can also include things that are demeaning to the parenting abilities of the other parent or imply that they are in some way inferior to the parent making the comment. If you're involved in a custody situation and you believe there's parental alienation, how can we prove that to the court? Proof typically takes the form of email or text exchanges between the parents showing a denial of visitation or otherwise doing things to make the child removed emotionally or absent from being in the other person's presence. Alienation can also include statements made to the child that we become aware of that are demeaning or degrading to the other parent. The evidence that's most helpful is typically keeping a very careful log of communications between the parents, as well as a calendar of visitation that has occurred and visitation requested that has not occurred, so that we can prove to the court that you are in fact making an effort to be with your child, but are consistently being denied, put off, or otherwise prohibited from establishing a relationship with your child. In severe cases of parental alienation, can the custody arrangement be addressed? The answer is yes. Frequently, the courts will look at one parent alienating the other parent as a significant negative for that person retaining primary custody. A significant part of being the primary custodian is facilitating a relationship with the other parent. What's the best proof of alienation? In most circumstances, it will be a carefully documented request for the visit to occur and denials of the visits to occur. So it's important to keep a very precise and accurate list of the times that you've asked to see your child and the times that you've been rejected. That would include times that there is no response before the requested visitation can occur. We frequently use emails and text messages to demonstrate the request was being made and that you are being denied access to your child. If you have questions about how to address parental alienation, please feel free to give us a call or send us an email. We look forward to hearing from you.